Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so basically a few minutes ago I was just down on this street right here and I was filming around that corner, and I'm gonna just create a new video. So maybe the last one you saw I was there, and if you didn't see that and you wanted to see it, that other one has like a Portuguese restaurant, Iranian shop, it's another shop, a French shop too. So I had kind of some interesting stuff in that one. So that might be something you want to check out, and I'll just put it at the bottom, at the end of this one, so you can go to it. And basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just exploring, and there's some interesting streets right here, and I saw this alleyway, and I haven't really been back up in here. It's a little bit not that easy to get to, so I just want to stroll through this kind of pedestrian street that I've never seen and just kind of see what's in here. So actually, for one, that's kind of cool already. I always like the shrines, and then this one is really beautiful too. It's like, actually it's like a shop. I think it's like there's like candles inside, I don't know, but it's really beautiful. It's like red and blue, as you can see. There's some lights on. Looks like there's some like glass, so I'm assuming it must be a shop. Yuan Yu, I don't know what that is. Looks like something to do with like back pain and massage cream. So, and I guess I'm just going to keep following this street, and we'll just kind of see all the stuff that's on the street. This little alley is not open, closed off to the pedestrian, to the cars. This one is a cafe. Comidas, it's in Portuguese, so it says like Portuguese foods. Huh. Kind of curious what that is, but kind of want to keep going too. So yeah, this is basically like a little residential one with some businesses in there. That cat just climbed up on the thing and went up there. There he is. I don't want to scare him. Let's keep walking. I'm just gonna walk all the way to the end and just see what's all in the street. There's a pharmacy in here. Yeah, sometimes you just don't really know. You don't really know what you're gonna come up against. Okay. Rico's Comida. This is like Chinese with crab and different stuff. That's where we came in on the other video, but for consistency purposes, I'm just gonna keep walking. Okay, what else is up here? Tiger International Education. British, I guess it's like maybe a little language school, I guess. Which is funny because I don't really associate that much of that with Macau, really. Huh. I've never seen this right here. This looks like a little outdoor mid-levels, which is something you would see in Hong Kong. I've been in Macau for 6 years. I've never saw that. Never seen this little thing. Okay, that's acupuncture, it looks like, and some other stuff. Ear candle wax, maybe. Ear cleaning. So okay. And that one, I think I've filmed over there. There's like a sports facility over there. That's when they sell propane gas. And we're gonna go up another of this mid-level things. Man, that's so weird. It's so weird that I've never seen that before. Some pasta. More shops. Flower shop. It's like a residential alley. I'll just scroll up to the top and just see what's all up here. So, okay. It's also like a rain guard here too, so I don't know. Pretty amazing that all this is here. I don't know why there would be a thing up here. Okay, so there's this boa. It's gonna maybe go up and see what's up to this hill. Pretty curious about that. So okay. Also a guitar shop there. What we're gonna do is try to go up this hill right here. See if we can get up there for one. Okay, I think I have been up here before. Huh. So yeah, I've actually been up here, and I think I've came up from the top down here, and I think there's also an elevator that goes up and down from inside here. There it is. So let's just see where it goes. Yeah, sometimes it's amazing the stuff that you see. So I'm going to turn this off and I'll show you at the top. Okay, so we're going to come out here, and yeah, crazy. So we just came up the stairs, and yeah, I don't really know how this connects to everything else. But this is what we just came up right there. So there's all these stairs, and we just I think I've actually come upon this another way and walked down these stairs once. And actually, if you can see, there's like somebody cleaning their apartment right there, right in that spot. So yeah, it's kind of funny, right? These balconies that are right there. Yeah, it's beautiful though. Kind of makes you realize that, you know, if you lived up on the top floor like that. Okay, this actually goes up to the hospital. So there's more up here. So yeah, actually this connects to a hospital. That's right. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to walk along this way and just see what it does. Yeah, it's just funny. Wow, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a building over there, and it's like all rotted out. It's like just yeah, interesting. So we're just gonna see where we can go here. So I don't know. Anyways, this is the hospital right in front of me. It's Gran Lisboa. So if you've seen some of the last few videos, I'm gonna cut this up into segments. So you'll be able to see that that I started out over there. Like maybe if you follow some of my videos back, if you're on this one, and I'll try to link them at the bottom, that you can see the one before it and see the one before it, and they'll be at the top right corner of each one if you just want to keep going back and see the past one, because I do walk into the Lisboa in a video that's just a little ways back from this one. Actually, you know what? I have been up here before, but it's I can't remember how it connects to things. It's actually kind of funny because there's a lot of sides to Macau that you don't always think about. Yeah, this is a hospital up here, so there's all this construction, and I think I have to kind of walk down the hill a little bit. Definitely do, but I don't remember how it turns out. But we're definitely on this path now, so there's no turning back. There is, but ideally it wouldn't have to. Okay, we're gonna get some visuals for you in a minute. And there's some apartment buildings right there. Huh. Never really walked on this side to see all these apartments. Somebody's right there watering drinking their coffee. I'm just gonna sit right there, drink his coffee. I don't know if you can see him in this camera. I can see it. This camera, you can see, it's good for walking. It's not very good for zooming in on anything. So it's good for, you know, like what's like right in front of you, and for kind of like architecture, it's not bad because you can get a good dimensions of it. It's me walking. Okay, so actually we're gonna be walking. This is San Francisco Park, and it has that little pink thing right there, which is pretty cool and always worth examining. I have filmed in there before, and I have filmed in a lot of different spots in Macau, so so if you do watch them, you can maybe piece them together a little bit, get a sense for it. So yeah, Macau is a beautiful place, so great place to film. Okay, so we're gonna walk, show you this park. Looks like they're doing some construction up there, so and in a few minutes we're gonna walk down this way, and actually I might just conclude it in this park. This is called San Francisco Park. So it is there's some beautiful tiles around here. There's some like a little play area for kids, and there's also like a little park kind of thing. But this one right here is often in a lot of pictures for Macau. And I'm gonna do something a little bit different in a minute. The next video is gonna be I'm gonna be doing this green building up here. Okay, I'm just gonna conclude this one. The phone heated up, so we're basically gonna show you the Sao Paulo San Francisco ruin. So this is kind of the key thing right there. Then you see all the tiles, and then we're gonna overlook this whole little just walk down a little bit, and we're gonna walk and show you what's here. And basically this is here. So yeah, you have kind of all this little stuff like that. And actually I'm gonna conclude this one. I do have some pretty good videos of walking around this park already, so so I don't want to walk around it again, but you're kind of getting another view of it from this side. And if you haven't seen this before, then I'll look for my other stuff with San Francisco Park. I might have spelled Sao like S-A-O, like the Portuguese way, or I did San Francisco like the English way. But anyways, I'm gonna conclude this one, and I'm gonna have a whole other one. I'm gonna be talking about this one book that I wrote, and so we'll turn this off and start with that one. All right. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.